Supplier and third-party audits are critical for ensuring quality, compliance, and reliability in supply chains. These audits help organizations evaluate vendor performance, identify risks, and maintain industry standards. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What are supplier and third-party audits? 2. Key benefits of conducting supplier audits. 3. Essential audit criteria and focus areas. 4. Best practices for effective supplier audits. By implementing robust audit procedures, organizations can strengthen supplier relationships, minimize risks, and improve overall supply chain efficiency. 1. What are supplier and third-party audits? Supplier audits. Internal audits conducted to assess supplier compliance, quality control, and operational standards. Third-party audits. Independent audits performed by certified external agencies to verify supplier adherence to ISO, GMP, IATF 6949, and other regulations. Why they matter. Ensure product consistency and safety. Identify nonconformities and supply chain risks. Maintain compliance with industry regulations and customer expectations. 2. Key benefits of conducting supplier audits. Improved product quality ensures defect-free materials and components. Regulatory compliance confirms adherence to ISO, FDA, and industry-specific standards. Supply chain transparency identifies potential fraud, subcontracting risks, or unethical sourcing. Cost reduction reduces waste, rework, and delays caused by poor supplier performance. 3. Essential audit criteria and focus areas. Supplier Quality Management System, QMS, evaluate process control, defect prevention, and corrective actions. Production and process control, assess machinery calibration, work instructions, and batch traceability. Raw material sourcing and traceability, ensure ethical sourcing of materials, REACH, RoHS, conflict minerals compliance. Compliance with environmental and social standards, verify ISO 14001 environmental management and ISO 45001 occupational safety compliance. Documentation and record keeping. Ensure suppliers maintain accurate records for audits, recalls, and regulatory submissions. 4. Best practices for effective supplier audits. Use a structured audit framework. Follow ISO 190111 guidelines for auditing management systems. Perform risk-based audits. Prioritize high-risk suppliers based on past performance, critical components, or regulatory importance. Engage in open communication. Develop long-term partnerships with suppliers by collaborating on process improvements. Leverage technology for supplier monitoring. Use AI-driven audit software to track compliance and performance metrics. Ensure corrective actions are implemented. Follow up on nonconformities with corrective action plans, CAPE, and schedule re-audits to verify compliance improvements. Key takeaways. Supplier and third-party audits ensure quality, compliance, and supply chain reliability. Key audit areas include quality management, production control, raw material sourcing, and regulatory compliance. Structured audit frameworks, risk-based prioritization, and technology adoption improve audit effectiveness. Corrective actions and supplier collaboration drive continuous improvement. By conducting proactive supplier audits, organizations can enhance quality, reduce supply chain risks, and strengthen business partnerships. In the next lesson, we'll explore how blockchain and digital tools are revolutionizing supply chain audits.